Correct.
So should I say 150?
Yeah, that's
You
fine.
can make up something.
So 150 and
Yeah, in hundreds it's fine. 600 too much. Who's gonna execute them? You need a huge amount of team.
100 is okay. So is that okay?
120 or something, not roundabout. Or use the word approx. Approximately 100 test cases with that.
Okay. So is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So go ahead. So you can say in each phase what you guys did. In requirement phase, what you guys did when they were writing the requirements. So you can say if you allow me, I can elaborate in detail what did I do in each phase.
So if you let me just describe what I was doing on my job in a just.
So that's the question you would ask us. Let's say you were the
Yes.
interviewer and you said what was the requirement phase.
Yeah, no. What you should do if you are a candidate, right? So you should after explaining me your project description,
After this.
you ask me a question that if you allow me, let me explain you what I did in detail in each phases.
Okay.
But see, like they didn't ask that.
I know that.
Yeah.
You have to ask that. You need to drive the interview.
Okay,
You have
so
to
when
ask.
you say
Oh,
that,
I have to.
You ask me that I'm an interview person, right? So you ask me, let me explain you.
Okay, after all this, I was saying like, well, if you like, I can explain to you by details
What's my role in each phase.
Role in this
Each phase.
and then what do you
phase.
say after that?
After that, you can say in requirement phase when the project when the marketing team was writing.
Sorry, one question. So when we're going over this, should we just concentrate on what they required, or you should say what you know, like you're saying, like you drive the interview, right?
Right.
And if their requirements was this, and this, A, B, and C. So should you talk about A, B, and C first?
If you are well prepared with that, then definitely
yeah.
definitely do that.
Then
If
they'll
you don't know about what they expect, then
Then
drive your
don't.
interview in your own way.
Okay.
And
So,
then
but if
can
like you
pretend.
know that in resume that's what they wanted, like those were the specifications.
Yeah.
They might ask you something else that's beside the point.
Yeah.
But it's better like after you say that, right? Like I say Welch Ellen and connects, and then I can say, well, I can explain A, B, and C.
Correct.
Okay. Sorry. Go ahead.
So you can say in requirement phase when the project managers and the business analysts were going to the customer site and recording the requirements. So we understood the entire requirement that they give us, and then we prepared an acceptance test plan for that. And then we had an effort estimation about for the project. They decided that this many these are the modules of the software. So how many modules we have to test based on the development and then after we finalize the test procedures, I mean how we are going to prepare a test cases, who is going to review them, how many labs and or we can say we define the test procedures, how we are going to execute those test cases, or who will be the reviewer.
But you know what? Then they're gonna ask, okay, tell me how do you execute in your test cases?
So yeah, we can say after that, let me come to the testing phase. Then I'll explain you. You just say that. That's fine. You can continue in your own pace. It's not rude if you say that. So okay, let me explain you about let me come to the testing point, and I'll explain you for that. We are coming to that point. Then you can say in the design phase when the architectures were designing the software, they were designing defining their effort of estimation, how much resources they will take, how much time they will take to develop, what will be their roadmap of development. At the same time, we were doing our effort estimation for QA. We were developing our test plan. Test plans means how we are going to what is the scope of testing. Scope of testing means what are the things that we are going to test, what are the things we are not going to test, what will be the risk involved, and how many how in we what is our lab structure that we were defining. So how many Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Wise PC we will require, how many servers we will require. So that's called resource planning. So we were doing that resource planning thing, right?
So
and we need to understand the technology that they are developing. So that's what we were understanding at that point of time in the design phase. The second thing is in they were using different devices to connect to take the vitals and blood pressure.
So you have to say all this.
Yeah, you can explain that thing. That's really very interesting if you can explain this thing. Yeah.
Okay. I have a question. So from like, let's say an average people who like take these kind of classes and go for their first job, and then do they usually get the first job, or it depends?
It depends on after couple of interviews, you know, you will know after first interview, an interviewer asks you a couple of questions. So try to remember those questions if you don't know the answers.
Okay.
Come to the home, research on that one, go ahead and make to the prepare for the next interview. You will
So
obviously perform better
when
in the
you
next
take
interview.
The interview, do they tell you like right away if you got it?
No, they will
No.
take you after some time they will say.
No, they will
Yeah.
tell you if you're going through like the
So you know,
company.
I'll come to that later. Let's finish this
Okay.
this thing entirely with that. So in the design phase, what we did is defining the effort estimation.
We're looking, for the design, and we're talking with the team, like how it's gonna look like the software, what we can edit, what we can take it, what we can remove it, just all the design of the project is we're gonna negotiate, just about
Should we talk about budget too, or
No, we are
how many
effort
teams,
estimation.
how many
Effort estimation. Use that word. Effort estimation.
effort,
Estimation. It's already written that in the design phase. Look at this third in the second line, in the requirement phase, second line, effort estimation. First requirement phases. In the requirement phase, did you see the second line?
effort estimation,
Yeah.
right.
So how many QA
project
persons
we-
will required? So those were the things that we defined. How many? And the second thing is test lab infrastructure. We define how many windows, how many client, how many server will be needed. It's written over there, right? And the combination and permutation of client server, the one that we discussed. The server is supporting 2003 and 2008. So we were finalizing what will be our final permutation and combination of resources. So those are the things we defined in the design phase, right? In the coding phase, when the developers were writing their code for making software, so we were writing our test plan and test cases based on reading which document that we understood yesterday. Requirement document. The other document was
test plan.
no, the documents that you read. 3 documents: SDDS, software detailed design specification, UIS, user interface specification. So those are the documents that we read during the development phase, and we
But
scheduled.
basically, when we read these 3 documentations, right? So it's absolutely every places have the same way 3 document, or it's just one?
They name the documents differently, but the content will remain same. Similar content will have similar kind of information. In the requirement documentation, they will have a very brief about requirements. In the architecture, you will find what technology they will use. In the UIS, they will have a screen. In anywhere you go, in any company, they will have the similar information.
But it's always going to be like
couple of documents, yeah. So that you need to read. So you can
Yeah,
see
so
in the development phase, when the developers were doing development and writing their own code. So at that time, we read all the documents that they prepared, and we prepared our test plan and test cases for that, right? And the second thing is how, and we also had a very discussion with the